We love fried food, but the problem is it's fried in oil. Lots and lots of oil, and that means added calories. But what if you could eat the fried foods you love with little to no oil, without the guilt, and without the extra calories, but still have that great taste? Imagine mountains of piping hot French fries, crisp, snap-apart onion rings, golden fried chicken wings, guilt-free. Introducing the Power AirFryer XL, the kitchen miracle with one-touch technology that fries with superheated cyclonic air, with little to no oil and up to 80% less fat. Look, processed chicken fingers versus Power air-fried chicken fingers. They look the same, they both taste great, but theirs has 780 calories, ours 250 calories. Do you want fast food fries or ours? Both are crispy and tasty. Theirs 19 ingredients and 340 calories. Ours 2 ingredients and 70 calories. Air fryer smart sensors are pre-programmed to the perfect temperature and time to cook your favorite foods. Set it and walk away for perfect French fries in 12 minutes. Crispy golden fried chicken in 25 minutes. Even an 8-pound bone-in superheated air-fried turkey done to perfection in 35 minutes. The secret is the 400-degree, 1,500-watt cyclonic airflow and patented vented air chamber. The superheated airflow surrounds your food quickly, creating a golden brown crispy outside while locking the moisture inside. And best of all, our fry basket has specially designed vents for all that fat and grease to drip into the container below. It air fries your food crispy and brown without deep frying in oil. Grill juicy steaks and perfectly flaky fish. Bake delicious pizzas and desserts like they just came out of the oven. Sauté onions and peppers. Roast rotisserie-style whole chicken that's so juicy on the inside. Our non-stick surface means nothing will stick. And your Power Air Fryer food basket drops into your dishwasher for quick and easy cleanup. We introduced the Power Air Fryer, and it finally became possible to enjoy the crispy, crunchy fried food you love guilt-free. Millions were sold, and the 5-star reviews say it all. People love the Power Air Fryer. Now, air frying is taking a quantum leap forward. Introducing the Power Air Fryer Oven, the full oven that can air fry 75% more than traditional air fryers. What's the secret? Our stainless steel airflow racks and 1,700 watts of rapid air technology fries food with a whirlwind of superheated air for that great crispy fried taste without all the added fat and calories. Air fried chicken strips, wings, and tasty sea salt curly fries. And all made with that amazing fried food taste without the guilt and up to 70% less calories from fat compared to deep frying. If you switch from deep fried to Power Air Fried oven fries just once a week, you could consume 14,000 less calories per year. And here's exciting news, now you can air fry rotisserie. The Power Air Fryer oven uses superheat combined with rapid air technology. Regular rotisseries have no airflow. Look at our air-fried rotisserie chicken versus this one from a regular rotisserie. Ours cooks faster, it's crisper on the outside, and so much juicier on the inside. There's no comparison. And our amazing drip tray catches all the extra fat and oil, so it truly is guilt-free frying. But hold everything. The Power Air Fryer oven is also a pro-grade dehydrator. Dehydrate vegetables, herbs, and fruit. Onions, homemade sun-dried tomatoes, and croutons make great toppers. We perform just like expensive professional ones that can cost over $300. The Power Air Fryer is a chef-quality air fryer, rotisserie, and a food dehydrator all in one. It features a state-of-the-art touchscreen with 8 presets. With one touch, you can rotisserie, dehydrate, air fry, roast, bake, use it as a pizza oven, broil, toast, and reheat. And all accessories are dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. You won't find it in stores, so act right now.